So we move on to next question. You have not raised your... Okay.
Working down. So, in the course of reply, the Honorable Chief Minister has said that Meghalaya has received the highest funding in external aided schemes. So may I know whether this highest is among the entire country or among the northeastern states?
So the amount is about 12,000 plus crores. It is, I should say, among the smaller states in the northeast, it is the highest, way above the rest of the northeastern states. Most of them, that is. Maybe one more will be there that is somewhere close to us, but otherwise way above the rest of the northeastern states. And we are also at almost at par at what the larger states and the bigger states are able to absorb. Sir, again, just so that the house is clear, that when we talk of big projects, sir, there is a lot of work that goes into these things. You need the capacity to be able to present what you want to do, and you have to have the capacity to absorb the money that has been sanctioned. Both of this requires a lot of efficiency in the system. And therefore, Meghalaya has been able to present itself and also work in that manner. And that's why we've been able to get these funds. But to answer the question, sir, yes, we are definitely the highest among the small states, and we are at the league of a large number of states, at the largest states in the country, sir.
As per the information that have been replied by the Chief Minister, with regards to the annual expenditure on monthly remuneration for individual consultant is 4.35 crores, specifically for 2024-25. May I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, as far as the consultancy fee, which is paid to these consultancy firms based on deliverables as per the contracts, how much is the amount that has been paid to these firms?
Sir, to the 59 firms that are there, the total amount that has been given is 131 crores. Out of the 131 crores, 116 crores is through the administrative expenditure permissible under the externally aided projects. So 116 crores comes out from the funding agencies' funds that come to us. Then there are, of course, other projects that are there where we require their expertise, where we have to fund from our side. So that from the state side, we have spent till now about 10 crores, 75,000, 10 crores 75,000. And from central fund, we have spent 5 crores 67,000. And from externally aided projects, 85% of the amount that has been paid to these firms has come from externally aided project funding, amounting to 116 crores. So total 131.73 crores.